Good morning, ya Tamin. How are you, ya miss? Today is Sunday, the 4th of April 2021. On this day, ya miss, we will start answering the questions about the text. On Thursday, we took Unit 7 and we explained all the lessons. And thanks for all the students who have sent for me their reading. Now we will see what are the questions for this unit. Question number 3. Read each sentence, then read the text again and choose the correct answer. So we will choose the correct answer for each sentence. Number 1. The closest يعني الأقرب. close معناها قريب غير close يغلق. closest هون الصفة. The closest city to Birdsville is Adelaide, Brisbane, Sydney. طبعا we read from the text and know that the closest city to Birdsville is Brisbane. Brisbane is the closest. أقرب مدينة إلها هي Brisbane. Number 2. Serena's school is 200 ولا 700 ولا 1500 kilometer away. طبعا Serena's school is 700. تبعد 700 kilometers away. Number 3. Serena hands in. وقلنا hands in معناها يسلم. Serena hands in her homework using. كيف بتسلم الهومورك؟ using the phone, emails, the radio. طبعا she hands in her homework by emails. Number 4. The school of the air students can't. The school can't go on virtual excursions ولا can't do chemistry experiments ولا can't phone each other. School of the air students can't go on virtual excursions ولا do chemistry experiment ولا phone each other. It can't do chemistry experiment. تجارب الكيمياء. experiments يعني التجارب. experiments تجارب الكيمياء. Number 5. Serena never ولا always ولا not very often watches TV. Serena not very often. Not very often watches TV. The last question, number 6. Serena doesn't spend enough time. She doesn't spend enough time online, reading, talking to her friends. إذا Serena doesn't spend enough time reading. ما بتقضي الوقت كتير وهي بتقرأ. Now, question number 4. Answer the questions. Which school subjects does the text mention? Here, when we read the text, we mention some subjects, صح؟ subjects المواد اللي ذكرناها بالتكست. We mentioned religious education. Here we have religious education. هي number 1. And also in this text we mention ذكرنا الكيمستري. هاي كمان number 1. And also we mention science. We mention science. هيها science. إذن المواد اللي ذكرناها أو المواد اللي ذكرت بهذا التكست ذكرنا religious education وذكرنا science وذكرنا الكيمستري. هاي كلها عبارة عن subjects we taught them in school. طبعا هاي بدرسها بالمدارس. And you learn them. Number 2. Where does Serena's mother work? Where does Serena's mother work? We mentioned and we read and said that Serena's mother and her father works in the hotel. صح؟ هيا. There's only one shop and Serena's parents work in the Birdsville Hotel. إذن her mother works in the Birdsville Hotel. هاي number 2. Number 2, again, where does Serena's mother work? She works in the Birdsville Hotel. Number 3, why can't Serena go to school? Why? Why she can't go to school? Because the school is too far. Because the school is too far. أو too far away. بعيدة كتير. Here we said that the school 700 kilometers from Birdsville. إذن it is too far away. إذن number 3, why can't Serena go to school? Because it is too far away. يعني بعيدة جدا. It is too far away. يا ترى number 4, how does she visit museums? How does she visit museum? كيف بتزور الميوزيومز؟ Number 5, طبعا this is your homework. Number 5, what does Serena do when she isn't studying? When Serena isn't studying, what does she do? She play? She watch TV? What does she do? Number 6, why is Serena excited about going to school camp? At the end, she said, I am very excited to go to this camp. Why? Number 5, طبعا when you write the answers, please يا miss, write all the answers from number 1 to 6 at your homework. نرجع نكتب الإجابات from number 1 to 6 at your homework. Number 5, find the opposites of these words in the text. إذا نعطيني الopposites يعني العكس. Opposites يعني العكس. What's the opposite of inside بباراجراف A? Paragraph A, the opposite of inside, outside. Outside. إذن the opposite of inside, outside. بالخارج بالداخل. Inside بالداخل عكسها outside بالخارج. What's the opposite of enormous? Enormous ضخم هائل. بباراجراف number B, the opposite of enormous, tiny. صغير جدا. Tiny. إذن tiny is the opposite of enormous. Tiny. The opposite of enormous, tiny. What's the opposite of real? In paragraph number D. Real. Real, the opposite of D. What's the opposite of save? Save آمن. Paragraph number D again كمان. What's the opposite of busy? Busy in paragraph number E. Busy in paragraph number E. Okay? So, send for me your answers for question number 4 and questions number 5. Number 5, no problem. Write the answers on the book because they are only one word here. One word, one word. Okay? Number 5 on the book, but number 4 in your homework copybook. Thank you, ya Tamen. I am waiting for your answers. Goodbye.